Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine? Good. Stay home, stay safe. I am Krishnaveni, your maths teacher of Dr. Basin School. So today I am going to teach you the first standard state mathematics. So get ready with your textbooks, pencil, eraser, everything, children. Get ready with your books. Are you ready? Yes. Yes. Now, in the last class, what we have learned? We have learned the patterns, isn't it? Patterns with shapes we have learned, pattern with colors. What else? Pattern with shapes we have learned. Pattern with colors. Next, pattern using numbers. So, numbers also we have learned, isn't it? In the last class, we have learned the number pattern also. Okay, so we have completed the patterns with shapes, pattern with colors, pattern with numbers. So in this class we are going to learn the patterns where we find around us. So around us in our day-to-day life we find so many patterns. So where we find the patterns means we will find the patterns in our floor tiles. Floor tiles ante manam building construction చేసినప్పుడు ఫ్లోరింగ్ కి టైల్స్ వాడతారు. ఆ టైల్స్ ఒక ప్యాటర్న్ ని ఫాలో అవుతుంది. తర్వాత మన ఇంటి కిటికీలకి, ఇంటి బయట డోర్స్ ఇంట్లో ఉండే డోర్స్కి వాటన్నిటికీ మనం ఒక ప్యాటర్న్ని ఫాలో అవుతూ ఉంటాం. ఆ డిజైన్ చేసినప్పుడు ఒక ప్యాటర్న్ని ఫాలో అవుతాం, isn't it? So we find the tiles in our house construction, monuments, in our dresses, we will find the patterns. So we will discuss how the patterns are followed. So let us open page number 18. Page number 18. Open, children, this page. Higher order thinking skills. Page number 18. Open, everyone. So we will see the patterns, how they are followed in the floor tiles, sari borders, dresses, grills. Okay, we will see the pictures, how they are followed. So see, we see patterns on roof of buildings and monuments. So we also see them on floor tiles, sari borders, grills, and so on, dresses, everything. So everywhere we find the patterns. So first of all we will discuss the pattern on floor tiles. See the first picture, children, in your textbook. See how he has followed the pattern here. He has followed a hexagonal shape. In that he has given the lines like this. So entire tile he has designed with this pattern, isn't it? Because this is the shape repeated over all the tile. So if you see the second picture, you will find the diamond shapes. So square or diamond shapes you will observe. This is one kind of a tile. Okay, it followed a pattern. So see the third picture, there you can find number of shapes here. Square shape, rectangular shape you can see in this tile pattern. See here the fourth one and fifth one also, it also followed a pattern. See that it was completely having the square shape. In that you will observe the circles, isn't it? So it followed, that circles are repeated here. See your textbook, fourth figure. Have you seen? See, these are the examples for the tiles where the pattern was followed. Okay, so pattern on floor tiles, is it clear? Okay, let us move on to the pattern on roof of monuments. Monuments means old construction buildings. We will find the patterns there. So పాత బిల్డింగ్లకి ఇలాంటి ప్యాటర్న్స్ అనేది యూస్ చేసేవారు. See the pictures given in your textbook. Pattern on roof of monuments. See the pictures, they have followed some patterns. So designs, whatever the designs they have followed a pattern. See here, all the appearance are in circle shape, and internally they have designs with some designs. Isn't it? See all the pictures here. You can easily understand how the pattern was followed on the roof of monuments. Okay? You can also see the pattern on saree borders. Saree borders మీద కూడా మనము ప్యాటర్న్స్ ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తాం. ఒకసారి అది డ్రా చేస్తాను బోర్డు మీద చూడండి. See, the saree will be like this only. So at the border means at the end here, you will observe some shapes, some designs here. So this is nothing but a pattern. So he has followed some designs. That means he has repeated the shape over all the saree. So there we find the pattern. Isn't it? So in this way we can find the patterns in our day-to-day life. So in the sarees you can observe the borders are following patterns. Okay. So next turn your page number 19. So pattern on doors. Doors, how they are designed. See here, the door was designed having some shapes like a rectangular shapes, some are square shapes. You can easily observe in that pictures. Isn't it? See how they have designed with a pattern, some square shapes, rectangular shapes, okay, half circles. You can observe the different shapes in the door construction also, okay, on the doors also. So pattern on grills. Grills, you can find the pattern. See, this design was followed. I'll draw on the board once. Look here. Pattern on grills. See, there are so many designs designed for the grills. You can observe one I am drawing on the board. See here. So the entire grill was designed with this shape only. This shape he has followed overall the grill. Okay. So this is one kind of a pattern. He has chosen this shape for entire grill to complete. So this is how the grills were designed with the patterns. So you can easily find the patterns in the grills also. See, there are so many models given in your textbook. Once you look into your textbook, you can have the idea how the grills are following the patterns. Okay. Next, move on to the next example 5. Complete the given pattern. One is done for you. So first one he has given the answer. The remaining problem we have to solve it. Okay, example 5. Complete the pattern. So in that first one, what they have given? 10, 20, 30, dash, 50, dash, dash. See here, the numbers how they are repeated here, how they have followed 10, 20, 30, all zeros only here, all tens. 10, 20, 30. Next will come 40. Next 50. After that 60. Next is 70. These are the tens pattern. This is called as a tens pattern. Okay. Similarly, let us move on to the next problem, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, dash, 12, dash. This is a pattern given for you. So to complete the 2 blanks, okay, in your textbook you have given that pattern. If you see this, these are the number pattern only. So number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 like that only, na? Isn't it? So in these numbers, see how he has given the pattern. Leaving 1, he has taken 2. So leaving 3, he has taken 4. Leaving 5, he has taken 6. So leaving 7, he has taken 8. Leaving 9, we should get 10. We should get 10. Here, after that, leaving 11, 12 given. So leaving 13, what you will get? 14. If you see, these numbers are followed a pattern. So these numbers have followed a pattern, and we call this pattern as even number pattern. What we call, children? Even number pattern. We call this as even number pattern. Even number pattern. Okay? Even number pattern. Okay, children? So you have to write down the answer in the blank as 10 and 14, because here you can also observe in another way. See, these are all the numbers which are in 2 table. If you see the 2, if you know the 2 table, you can easily answer these 2 blanks. So if you read the 2 table, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. What is the next one? 2 fives are. 2 fives is how much? 10. After that, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 sevens are 14 we will get. What is this pattern name? This pattern name as even number pattern. What we call this pattern as? Even number pattern. Next one. Observe the third one. 14, 13, 12, dash, 10, dash, 8. If you see the numbers, these numbers are written from backwards, from back side. See here, 14, 13, 12. What is the next number going to be? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like that. The numbers are given. So these are the decreasing pattern. So we will learn these names in the next class, okay? In the next standard you will learn the names, okay? Till now you have to write down the blank in that 11 and 9. Write down, children. Write down in your textbook, page number 19. Okay? So with that we have completed our textbook part explanation. So we will go for the drill time exercise. Okay? You complete this part first of all in your textbook. Don't spoil the books. Write neatly. Okay? So next you should get ready with the crayons. You should get ready with your crayons also. So you can do the coloring afterwards. Let's have the impression. Just అలా ఒక కలర్ ఇలా అప్లై చేసి ఉంచండి నేను చెప్పినప్పుడు. సో తర్వాత మీరు కంప్లీట్ గా కలరింగ్ చేద్దురు గాని. ఓకే? సో drill time exercise I am going to explain you now. Open page number 20. Page number 20. So page number 20 is your drill time exercise given. Okay? So in that exercise you will observe these patterns. Color the pictures to complete them. So drill time, I am giving the answers. Drill time exercise. Okay? So first one in that A. First one, observe these patterns. Color the pictures to complete them. So see here, some shapes given here. Isn't it? So what is the color they have applied for those? Yes, he has applied the red color and green color. So in that, what you have to do? You should color the next 3 shapes. See the first one, red color. Next is green, red, green, red, green. That means you have to color the next shape with the green color because it has followed the pattern of colors. What colors? Red and green. These two are the basic colors. So you have to color the remaining 3 following the pattern in such a way that red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. Okay children? So last three I will draw here and I will write the names so that you will color afterwards. See the shapes given like this, isn't it? So you can see the colors, what to apply by observing the starting shapes. See here, red, green, red, green, red. This is going to be the green. After that red, again green. So you have to apply the last three shapes with the green color, red color and green color. Okay children, you do it afterwards. Next one. See the next shapes, butterflies given here, purple and yellow color. So see here, purple, yellow, purple, yellow, purple. So you have to color with the basic colors. What are the basic colors here? Purple and yellow. So follow this like this. So purple, yellow, you have to color the last three with the purple, yellow and purple. Okay children, you have to do afterwards. See these shapes also. What the colors they have given? Green and blue. Green, blue, green, blue, green, blue. In this way you have to apply color. Okay? Next one, fourth one. If you see these are the colors here, yellow, green, yellow, green. All the leaves are given here. You have to apply the colors to create the pattern. So what are the colors to be applied? Yellow, green, given. So after green, yellow. Yellow after green. Again yellow. Again green. Yellow, green, yellow. In this way you have to apply the colors children. I hope you will do. Okay? This is the homework for you to do. So homework is do drill time concept 2.1 concept 2.1 in textbook. So this is the homework part for you as well as yes, this is the homework part. Okay, this is the homework part for you to do the coloring. So after doing the coloring, please send the pic to the teacher. Okay. Next one, observe and complete these patterns. Okay, second one I am explaining you. Second problem, look into your textbook first. See, observe and complete these patterns. In that first one I am explaining you. Circle, square, circle, square. So next three blanks given. What is the next shapes going to be? Circle, square. Again, circle, square, circle. Because these two are the basic shapes. So after drawing the shapes, you have to apply the color also. So brown, pink. This is brown, pink. Brown, pink. So brown, pink. Pink color for the squares and brown color for the circles you have to follow. So neatly you have to draw the shapes first, then after you do the coloring part. Okay? B. First one is triangle, rectangle. Triangle, rectangle. Okay, after that you have to follow the next three. See here, triangle, rectangle. What is the next shape going to be? Yes, triangle. After that, rectangle again, triangle. Understand? After drawing the shapes, you please note down the shapes. After that, you have to color according to the pattern followed. See here, for triangles he followed the blue color and for the rectangle he has given the orange color. So you have to draw the shapes first in your textbook and after that you have to apply the colors. Okay? Until then you have to draw in your textbook the shapes first. Next one, square, triangle. Next one is rectangle. again square, triangle. So next three shapes we have to draw. See here, square, triangle, rectangle, square, triangle. So here you can easily observe that these three are the shapes, basic shapes. So square, triangle, rectangle, square, triangle, next shape going to be rectangle. So after rectangle again we will get the square. Again after square you will get the triangle. Okay children, neatly draw the shapes in the blanks given in your textbook. After that you have to apply the color. Okay. So you have to apply the color afterwards. First you draw the shapes. Okay. Draw the shapes neatly. Don't spoil the book. Don't spoil the book. So for the square he has given red. For the triangle yellow. Next is green. Red, yellow, green, red, yellow. In this way you have to apply the colors. Okay, do it coloring afterwards. So please note down the shapes first. 2 triangles, 1 square, 2 triangles, square. Next 3 shapes we have to draw. See here, 2 triangles, 1 square, 2 triangles, 1 square. So after square, what is the shape? Triangle. Again after that, another triangle. Because 2 triangles are repeated, na? Like that is why. So after that, after 2 triangles, next one is square. Okay children, you note down the shapes and you have to apply the color according to the pattern given. Okay. So next one is the last one, that is third problem. So note down the shapes children neatly. After that you do the coloring. After noting down the shapes, first of all you have to draw the shapes in your textbook. After that you have to do the coloring. So here the homework part what I have given for you is to do the drill time concept 2.1 in the textbook only. You have to do the coloring. So you have to do the colorings in your textbook. Okay, I am giving the shapes here. Okay, with that after explanation part you can do the coloring later. So last one I will explain you. Third problem, continue the pattern by coloring the correct boxes. Listen children, generally this problem everyone will commit the mistakes here. Listen carefully. So now I will write the numbers on the board first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So up to 30 numbers he has given for us. Okay, I am writing here. So listen carefully. Then after you have to do the coloring. Okay. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Isn't it? These are the numbers given for us to do the coloring pattern. See, the numbers are starting from 1 to 30 numbers given. In that, first 2 shapes he left without coloring. So he has not applied any color. So for the number 3, he applied the pink color. So number 3, he applied the pink color. That means what? Leaving 2 numbers, he applies the color like this. So leaving 4 and 5, pink color. For the number 6, so leaving 7, 8, number 9, we have to color with the pink color. Okay. So leaving 10 and 11, 12, we have to color. He has already given, the remaining part we have to do. So leaving these 2, we have to apply pink color for the 15 number. So leaving these 2, 18 number. He has followed a rule. What is the rule he has followed? Leaving 2 numbers, he colored the next number. Like that he has followed. So leaving these 2, what we have to color? We have to color the 21 number. Excuse me. So leaving these 2 numbers, we have to apply 24 number pink color we have to apply. So after 24 coloring, 25, 26 numbers we have to leave, and 27 we have to apply the color. So leaving these two, again we have to apply for number 30. That means he has followed a rule like that. Two numbers leaving, two numbers, color the next number. Leaving two numbers, colored. Leaving two numbers, colored. Leaving these two numbers, colored. These two numbers, colored. Like that he followed up to the 30 numbers. In this way you have to apply the colors for the numbers. Up to 18 he has given. You have to color 21, 24, 27 and 30. Okay children, I hope you have understand today's class. We will meet again in the next class. Thank you for listening. Thank you one and all.